Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica, and today I'm cleaning out my little girl's bathroom and I'm organizing underneath of the cabinets because this is what it looks like. And it's awful. I don't think I've ever organized, and we've lived in this house for 7 years. I don't think I've ever done underneath of their cabinets. So today I did that, and then I cleaned up the bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoy.
And you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away.
You have to say that I'm gonna talk.
Okay, Kinsley wants to talk.
I'm gonna say the rocket feature.
And you say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me.
It's pretty disturbing that I had that much trash underneath of there, I know, but I hope this motivates somebody that has a space like this in their home to get it done. Once it was done, I felt so good. It looks so great under there, and I actually found some things I didn't know I had.
I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
Tonight we will fight for the right to stay alive. 'Cause you know we live for the music. We are breathing love. And tonight we will fight for the rhythm of our life. And we'll always keep on dancing. We are breathing love. We're fighting for love tonight.
brighter than our mornings come before. Brighter than our mornings. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light is clear. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be When the evening falls across the land and your lover's reaching you the hand, don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear.
So I wanted to share with you guys what vacuum I'm using. They actually asked me if they could send it to me to try out, and I said yes because it's a cordless vacuum, and I know you guys really love my Dyson, but it is a little bit out of budget for some of you, and this is more budget friendly. So I will have a link to it in the description box if you're interested, but it does have all the little attachments, like one that I'm using now. It has some for like your couch and stuff, and the really cool thing about this one is it actually comes with 2 batteries, and you can actually charge them both at the same time. That way, if you're doing a big job and your battery dies, you have an extra. So I do really like that part of it. I think it does a great job on my hardwoods, and it does a great job just as a handheld like this. The only con is that it doesn't do well on carpet or area rugs, but as far as hard floors, I think it does a really good job. And they have a little soft roller for hardwood floors, and then like the carpet one, but it really doesn't do that well on carpet. But I do like how it has the 2 batteries. It does do a really good job on my hard floors, so I do really like this vacuum a lot. So I'm using it in today's video to kind of show you guys. I'm actually going to leave this one upstairs and use it in the girls' bathroom and for the couch upstairs, so it is kind of handy to have.
Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you.
So I am using this thing that I got at Target. I showed it in a haul, I think last month. And I do like it. I don't like that it doesn't get into like the crevices and stuff, but it does make cleaning the shower a little bit easier. I can get more done quicker. I still like my dish wand a lot and I use it more, but I do like this one for their tub and shower because it is bigger than mine. So I was using it in there. I just wish that it could get down into like the corners and stuff a little better, but that's why I was using that one today.
I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. How to sing, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And bunnies. I love bunnies and horses and dolphins and pumpkins.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me and organizing. I think it looks great. Give me a thumbs up if you think it looks good. Give us a thumbs up if you think Kinsley's voice is the sweetest little thing ever. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next video. Do you want to say bye? Okay.
The wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves.